Hello my friends, and welcome to my segment of Pouring from Coast to Coast. I'm still trying to use up leftovers from the last couple of pours I did, the Big Dutch pour and then the smaller one where I added some lines of drizzle. I'm tending to do a similar thing today. I hope it doesn't look too much like that last one, except that my base coat will be different. I have these lovely leftovers that I was saving for a flow extender, but I think they would be very pretty together as a split base with those colors. So let's give it a go. I don't have quite as much, I have a plan in mind, but I'm just going to go for it and kind of explain as I go. So yeah, I'm not saying anything because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have much leftovers and I want to reserve some in case I want to do my squiggle lines. Whoops, whoops, whoops. I just tipped over that blue. Did I do this one already? I think I did. I didn't do this one though. All right. I'm going to blow that out and then see what I feel like doing next. Okay. Well, it's kind of pretty, but I cannot leave it alone like this, so what to do? I'm going to add some lines, but how and where? Should I do big circles that overlaps that, or should I just do I think I'll go with this with a. Oh, I don't know what to do. I just don't have that much paint left. You know, I think I'll just do this. I'm sorry for my indecisiveness, my friends. Usually I have a far better plan going into a project, but I just did not this time around. I like this lavender against this color here. Maybe I need to get a little more free with this. Oops, I just dragged it through. I don't like doing that. Okay. Light blue. Whoop. Lots of whoops in this one. And I think I have 2 more colors. Whoa! Oh my gosh! I almost, did you see that? I almost dropped the stick on there. That would have been terrible. Oh, I keep hitting that canvas. You want to be close enough to the canvas so, you know, you kind of direct where it's going, but not so close that you scrape it like I'm doing. I keep doing it. Oh, I don't know that I like this. How am I doing on time? 13 minutes. I gotta get moving here. Should I blow that out too? It's just not doing anything for me. I'm going to. Let's see if I can save it. I'm gonna tilt. I just don't have enough of this on here to really, work with the blowout. I'm going to tilt it because sometimes I really like when these lines get all weirdly distorted. I find sometimes that when I tilt the heck out of something, it can really save a piece. And you know what? I'm not hating this. Just gonna tilt this way a little bit. Try to get the weight of the paint. I like these stripy lines here. And that, I'm actually liking it. It's just this one little area. I'm going to try to bring this down. But if I see that I'm messing up the parts I do like, I just got to find the weight of the paint, I will stop. Okay. Okay. I think it's kind of interesting. I'm going to turn it around to you. I almost like it in this orientation. What I'm going to facing you. Yeah. This would be the top. You're looking at it from the bottom there. I don't know. I don't hate it. Let me bring you in for a closer look and you can tell me what you think. I'm happy to use up both the flow extender I had mixed up and finally these colors. I think they're very pretty together, but I'm getting tired of them. Yeah, so Dutch pour, lines, tilt them out. And that's what I got. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching. I'll try to do better with my narration on the next one, but I often say that and I don't, so I will absolutely stop talking now. Thank you for watching. Bye.